Hello students, this is Maestro Sersea, and today we're going to preview lesson 1.5.3, American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. Welcome to Year 1, Week 5, Lesson 1.5.3. Today we will work on your English conversation and reading skills. We begin dialogues 13 through 15 from our English course, American English Conversations 1. Designed for beginners, these dialogues help English learners improve their comprehension and communication skills. You're encouraged to read along and pronounce together with the video below. Once you finish, don't forget to share what you've learned via the comment section below. So, part 1. Read the dialogues below in English, then translate them and read them in your primary language. So let's read these in English first. Let's read them together. I hear you've been ill. Well, I had the flu for a couple of weeks, but I'm fine now. You're looking well. By the way, did you hear about Mrs. Jackson? No. What about her? She had such a bad case of the flu that they had to take her to the hospital. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. That sounds so much like the COVID times. Sports. Dialogue 14. Say, what's your favorite sport? It's hard to say. I like golf a lot, but I guess I like tennis better. Do you play much tennis? Yes, quite a bit. How about a game sometime? Sorry, I'm strictly a spectator. Football, baseball, basketball, golf, I watch them all. And here's the last dialogue, dialogue 15, asking directions. Excuse me, could you tell me which way Dobson's bookstore is? Yes, it's that way. You go 2 blocks, then turn left. It's on the corner opposite the post office. Thanks, I've only been in town a few days, so I really don't know my way around yet. Oh, I know how you feel. We moved here a year ago, and I still don't know where everything is. Now, part 2 is a video, and you need to watch, read along, and pronounce with the video below a minimum of 2 to 3 times. After you finish, let us know what you learned via the comment section below. But this video is really going to help you because I read for you each dialogue slowly so that you can repeat after me. This will help you with your English pronunciation, English communication skills. So please watch this video 2 or 3 times and speak along with it, read along with it out loud, okay? All right, students, so this was a preview of lesson 1.5.3. Thank you for working so hard. Please do your best with this lesson, and you will definitely benefit from it. Thank you.